Welcome to the best picks. The best liquid watercolor is probably one of the most versatile and exciting mediums for artists of all skill levels, offering a unique blend of vibrant colors and effortless fluidity that allows for both delicate washes and bold, expressive strokes. In this video, we will explore the top liquid watercolors available in the market, comparing their performance, pigment quality, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your artistic journey. Number 5. Colorations Classic Colors Watercolor. Unleash your creativity with this set of 13 vibrant watercolor paints. Each bottle is a generous 8 ounces, perfect for any project. These versatile paints are ideal for students of all ages, from preschool to high school. They're easy to use and clean up, making them perfect for the classroom or home. Stock up on these high-quality watercolors for your next project. It's perfect for special projects and handmade creations, and cleans up easily from skin and surfaces. These exceptional watercolors are non-toxic and certified safe, making them perfect for kids and adults alike. They're also free from most common allergens. Experiment with brushes, sponges, or even misting and blending techniques. They can even be used to tint dough or glue. We're dedicated to providing high-quality art supplies that teachers, parents, and students can rely on. We're proud to be innovators of classroom essentials. What we like? It boasts a generous 8-ounce bottle size and offers 13 vibrant colors. If you need a large quantity of paint for classroom projects or large-scale art, this is perfect for you. This American-made product ensures high quality and supports local businesses. What people say? The color is so vibrant and easy to paint with. It's easy to clean too. It had nice rich color that you can dilute or just use straight out of the bottle. Number 4. Colorations Liquid Watercolors. Unleash your creativity with our new liquid watercolors. It's a set of 6 vibrant colors perfect for any artist. These watercolors deliver bold, brilliant hues. They produce rich, vibrant artwork, bringing your imagination to life. It's not just for painting. Use them to tint glue, dye wood, or create resist art. The possibilities are endless. Each color comes in a convenient 2-ounce bottle with a flip-top lid. It's easy to squeeze out just the right amount. They are non-toxic and safe for kids of all ages. It conforms to ASTM D4236 safety standards, so you can create with confidence. From painting masterpieces to crafting unique designs, these watercolors are perfect for all your creative endeavors. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This set includes 6 classic colors in conveniently sized 2-ounce bottles. If you're looking for a basic set for various projects like tinting glue or dyeing wood, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for both kids and adults. What people say? You can add some water and make them last longer and have more of a pastel look. Better used on watercolor paper. Super vibrant colors. Kids have used it straight up, watered down in spray bottles on snow. So fun every time. The colors in this pack are vibrant. I actually poured the colors into squirt bottles for easier control. Opened a new art form to me. If you want to see if you like it, this pack is perfect. Number 3. Milo Liquid Watercolor 6-pack. Get ready to unleash your creativity with our vibrant, easy-to-use liquid watercolors. They're perfect for artists of all ages and skill levels. This 6-pack includes red, blue, yellow, green, purple, and orange, all in generous 4-ounce bottles. Mix and blend them to create endless possibilities. These squeezable bottles make pouring and controlling the paint a breeze. Plus, the tight sealing caps keep it fresh and ready to use whenever inspiration strikes. It's perfect for paper, canvas, rocks, even pumpkins. And don't worry about spills, it washes easily off skin and clothes. Try using it in a spray bottle for unique effects. Made in the USA and AP certified, it's safe for kids and the environment. We prioritize safety in all our art supplies. Milo is an American-owned company committed to quality. We stand behind our product and guarantee your complete satisfaction. What we like? It comes with 6 colors in larger 4-ounce bottles, making it easy to use and blend. If you prioritize ease of use and cleanup, this washable set is ideal for children and beginners. The larger bottles mean less refilling during projects. What people say. Each bottle is true to its color and makes mixing easy. The liquid watercolors are easier for young children to use than a palette of watercolors. They work for both wet on dry and wet on wet applications. Lasting color and can be watered down easily for a lighter version. Number 2. SNS Color Splash. Liquid Watercolor. Unleash your creativity with 6 vibrant colors. It's perfect for painting, tinting slime, or adding color to various crafts. These watercolors come in 6 1-ounce bottles. Use them straight from the bottle or dilute them with water for endless color possibilities. It's more versatile than solid watercolors. Use it on wood, fabric, eggs, clay, and more. Plus, it won't dry out. Get creative with your application. Use brushes, eyedroppers, or even spray bottles to achieve your desired effect. It's water-based and non-toxic, making it safe for everyone to enjoy. Protect your clothes and work surfaces, though, as it can stain. Each bottle is 1 ounce, ideal for individual use or purchase multiple sets for group activities. What we like. This set contains 6 vivid colors in 1-ounce bottles, perfect for tinting slime, clay, or glue. If you enjoy experimenting with different materials and techniques, this is the one for you. The small bottle size is also great for individual use or small group projects. What people say. The colors are so vibrant and beautiful, and a little bit goes a long way. I poured these full strength into travel pump spray bottles and added a small amount of glycerin, replaced the lid, and shook it to mix. I had so much fun spraying these. Looks like they lighten up a little when they dry. A little goes a long way, they are concentrated and vibrant. The bottle tips are almost eyedropper-sized openings, so you can easily release just a drop or 2 at a time. The color penetrated pretty deeply into the wood, which is great for my application, as opposed to paint, just laying on the surface. Number 1. SNS Worldwide Color Splash. Liquid Watercolor. Unleash your creativity with 10 vibrant colors. It's perfect for painting, dyeing, and so much more. Experience the beauty of our most popular assortment. These colors will take your art to the next level. It's incredibly versatile. Use it to dye clay, glue, even shaving cream. The possibilities are endless. Apply it with brushes, eyedroppers, or spray bottles. Achieve intricate designs and unique textures with ease. This water-based formula is safe for artists of all ages. It's perfect for classrooms, homes, and workshops. Apply it to wet paper or spritz with water to watch the colors blend and spread beautifully. What we like. This set offers 10 vibrant colors in 8-ounce bottles and works great as a dye for various materials. If you need a wide range of colors for extensive projects or enjoy experimenting with dyeing different materials, this is your best bet. The large bottle size is perfect for larger projects. What people say. The colors are so vibrant and beautiful, and a little bit goes a long way. I poured these full strength into travel pump spray bottles and added a small amount of glycerin, replaced the lid, and shook it to mix. I had so much fun spraying these. Looks like they lighten up a little when they dry. A little goes a long way, they are concentrated and vibrant. The bottle tips are almost eyedropper-sized openings, so you can easily release just a drop or 2 at a time. The color penetrated pretty deeply into the wood, which is great for my application, as opposed to paint, just laying on the surface. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.